guys, welcome to Art with Vanita Naomi. Today I'll be doing an acrylic pour video, and right now I'm just brushing some paint onto the canvas to create a base for my acrylic pour. Um, I just chose this color. It's actually a rose gold. It's coming up as a like a tannish brown, but it's a rose gold and I'm not really feeling it. So I'm just going to use it as my base. Okay, it's going to start off when I do the acrylic pour as a tree ring pour. That's what I was attempting. But as a beginner, sometimes it just doesn't come out quite as like I would want it to come out. But the best part of it is I'm having fun and I'm doing what I enjoy doing these days, doing acrylic pours. So I hope it encourages other people to grab you some acrylic paint, a pouring medium, which could be Floetrol, or I get mine from Walmart. It's just called pouring medium, and it's very affordable. Right now, I'm not investing in the expensive paints because I'm still learning, so it's going to be a lot of oops and failed attempts. So right now, I'm just getting cheaper paints and things to practice. So I hope you guys enjoy. Watch, sit back, relax, grab you some tea or coffee, and watch me paint.